Hi everyone, I'm Jimiel Haji E. Martinez. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic and mysterious author in the Philippines, Roberto Ong, or more popularly known as Babong. Babong is a Filipino author known for his writing with humor, satire, and honesty, often reflecting on the Filipino relatables of Filipino life. What makes him even more interesting? His identity is still unknown. Yup, till now Babong remains anonymous. One of his most famous work is ABNKKBN PA Ko or Aba, nakakapagbasa na pala ako. This book is a semi-autobiographical story of a typical Filipino student. It's super relatable. From our struggles in school, our awkward high school days to college confusion, lahat nandun. Another brilliant work of Bagong is Bakit Baliktad Magbasa ang Mga Pilipino. This one's deeper. It talks about the Filipino identity, our culture, history, and the many ironic in our society. Like how we forget sometimes our root or we value other culture than our own. So what makes Bob's own work so notable to readers? Simple, totoo siya. He writes what many of us are thinking about, are too scared to say. He uses humor and sarcasm to entertain, but to reflect reality. He makes you laugh, then think, then sometimes cry. My answer in the question, why is there need for the young generation like me to study and appreciate the works of authors from the past, the present, and emerging literature of the future? For me, it's very important to our generation to study and appreciate the work of authors from the past, present, and even the future, because through their stories we understand our culture, our history, and even what's happening now. Work from the past, they show up where we come from. In the present, help us relate to what's happening around us. And in the future, opens our mind to new ideas and possibilities, such as solution to our current problem. As the quote I read before said, a reader's lives a thousand lives before he dies. The man who never reads only one. What this means is what we read books we experience different lives and stories. We feel what the character feels and learn their journeys. But if we don't read, we will just like our own lives with few lessons and ideas.